related function do? The related function in DAX is used to retrieve a value from a related table in a one-to-many relationship, where you are currently working in the many side of the relationship. It acts like a VLOOKUP in Excel, fetching a value from the related parent table. Syntax: DAX related, column name. Parameters: column name, the column from the related lookup dimension table that you want to fetch a value from. 2. Key requirements: there must be a relationship between the current table and the related table. You can only use related from the many side one side of the relationship. You cannot use related to go from one many. For that, use related table. Relation 3. Practical example. Scenario: you have two tables. 1. Sales, fact table, sale ID, product ID, quantity. 2. Products, dimension table, product ID, category, unit price. Relationship: text products, product ID, sales, product ID. Goal: create a calculated column in the sales table that multiplies the quantity by the unit price. Test star, solution, DAX total sales equals sales quantity related products unit price. What it does: related products unit price fetches the unit price from the products table for the corresponding product ID in the sales table, combines it with quantity to compute total sales per row. 4. How it works behind the scenes. When you use related, DAX internally performs a row context transition. For each row in the current table, it looks up the related row in the other table via the relationship. This is similar to Excel equals VLOOKUP, products, 3, false. INNOSTA 5, real-world use cases. Use case for fact tables. Add product names, prices, categories into the sales table. Create calculated columns. Combine values across tables for row-level calculations. Reporting and filtering. Tag transactions with customer region, campaign name, etc. 6. Limitations. Cannot go from one many. If you're in the dimension table and want to summarize the fact table, use related table or calculate instead. Only works when there is an active relationship. Not for aggregations, it brings single values per row, not summaries. Summary: feature, description, purpose. Retrieve a column value from a related one-side table. Works in calculated columns, row-level DAX context. Typical scenario: add lookup data, e.g. category, region, price, to a transaction table. Similar to Excel, VLOOKUP from a lookup table. Not used for aggregation or summarizing multiple values. Let me know if you'd like a comparison between related, related table, and lookup value, or if you want a Power BI sample model to practice with these functions.